Are numbers really just symbols for calculation? From ancient times to the present, in all great civilizations, numbers have been endowed with sacred and mystical significance. From Pythagoras' all is number to the changing lines of the I Ching, humanity has always sought to explore the cosmic code hidden behind numbers. Today, let us step into the world of Eastern numerology. In the Eastern wisdom traditions, numbers are also seen as specific vibrational frequencies of energy. Among the most mystical and powerful are the 9 numbers derived from the Shu Square. These 9 numbers, known as the 9 stars, not only define the 9 directions of space, but also depict the 9 different energy cycles of time. Each number is not merely a quantity, but a quality, a personality, an archetype of energy. For example, the number 1 represents initiation, independence, and masculine power. The number 6 represents wealth, responsibility, and the energy of metal. And the number 9 represents the peak of fire, symbolizing joy, celebration, and spiritual wisdom. So, how can you find the numbers most relevant to your personal energy? One of the simplest ways is through your mobile phone number. Our phone is the most personal energy field transmitter we carry every day. Its number is like a mantra that vibrates continuously. Rule 1. Observe the most frequent digit in your phone number. The energy of this number is likely influencing you profoundly. For instance, if 4 appears often, it might indicate you are creative, but perhaps not always diplomatic. Rule 2. Look at the last digit of your phone number. The final digit often defines the end result of a relationship or an event. A final digit full of stable and prosperous energy, like 8 earth or 6 inches metal, is generally considered auspicious. Rule 3. Create your own lucky numbers. More importantly, it's about consciously choosing and connecting with the energy of a certain number. Using a number that corresponds to an energy you wish to enhance, like 6 for wealth as your password, or using it during important decisions, is a powerful psychological anchor and an energetic declaration. Numbers are one of the languages the universe uses to communicate with us. Learning to understand them is not for the sake of fatalism, but to better understand our own energetic nature, and to consciously create the life we desire. May you walk in harmony with the Tao, and may all your endeavors unfold with ease. In our next episode, we will continue our personal exploration to find your inner 5 elements. Thank you for watching.